All Bobcat compact loaders come with a quick-change Bobcat attachment mounting system for 100 different types of Bobcat attachment. The new remote control system has been designed in the same way as a plug-and-play system, comprising a portable radio remote controller that can be quickly mounted and dismounted on machines. With trenchers and wheel saws, where the operator specifically needs to drive backwards with the loader, remote control means no more cricked neck. The system provides most of the functions that can be performed via direct loader operation, including throttle, light, creep and flow controls. There is also speed management control to ensure easier operation in certain applications. This article published by the Construction Index on 28th of August 2019. Follow gecoportal.com or Geco Official in social medias for newest technological and scientific achievements.